What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ruben, back with another video. And today, I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on my 2000 Mustang GT. Well, today, I got some good news for y'all. I can say I installed some Longtube headers on my car. That's why I ain't been posting it in a minute. You know what I'm saying? That's why I ain't been posting no videos. I had got my headers done. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna crank it up, let y'all hear how it sounded. Right now, I ain't got no H-pipe, I ain't got no catback, no nothing. I just got straight Longtube headers in my car. So it's gonna be a little louder than it would usually be. But let's get into it. YouTube. In the video, it might not be as loud as it seems because, you know what I'm saying, it's a phone, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to, you know what I'm saying, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more videos. Out of there.